said things like, "It's okay, I don't need much, I don't need more. I'm not that type. I'm super low maintenance. I'm happy as long as they are happy." Does this sound familiar to you? Well, we say it to seem easy, agreeable, uncomplicated, so cool, I'm so chill, nothing affects me. But here's the truth: sometimes being low maintenance is just a mask for deep unmet needs that you have shoved under the carpet. And the longer you wear that mask, the more invisible you will start to feel to others and to yourself. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today's conversation is one many of us don't even realize we need to have. Because being low maintenance might sound very humble on the outside, but are we being honest? Low maintenance comes at a very high cost. Remember that. You become so used to not asking for anything that eventually you forget how to ask at all. So, these are the 5 hidden costs of being low maintenance. And I'll also tell you how to reclaim what you truly deserve. Firstly, you stop expressing your needs. Okay. So, if you are so-called low maintenance, means you've trained yourself not to ask, not to be too much, to be okay with whatever you get, to be satisfied with whatever you get. But here's the truth: if you suppress your needs, it's not making you a stronger person, it's only making you silently resentful. And you'll also start uh, noticing that you begin to feel jealous also, more and more. So start by tuning into your own preferences once again. Ask yourself, what do I really want right now? And also understand this. If you're being really low maintenance, if you're not asking for what you want, you will never get what you want. Because how will somebody else assume what you want? Number 2, you settle for less than you deserve. When you're low maintenance, okay, in relationships, at work, or how outsiders treat you, you actually start accepting crumbs when you deserve a full meal. Being low maintenance will take away everything you deserve to get only because you are just behaving, or you are just believing that okay, whatever little you have is more than enough for you. Your desires are not demands, they are directions. That your desires are directions that lead you to your alignment. Number 3, being low maintenance makes you teach others that you're okay with whatever you get. You can be treated anyway, you can be given or not given things, somebody can do something for you or not do something for you, somebody may listen to you or not listen to you, somebody may make an effort to keep you happy or just leave you as you are. Doesn't make a difference to you. That is what you're telling people, that is what you're teaching people by being low maintenance. When you never ask for more, people assume you do not want more. And suddenly, your emotional needs, your time, your presence, it's all taken for granted. And then you cannot blame others for taking you for granted because you have allowed this upon you. You have allowed people to take you for granted. So now is the time when you need to start setting new standards for yourself. Please set boundaries and tell people how to treat you, how you would like to be treated, and start treating yourself that way first. You can only get external respect if you internally start respecting yourself first. Number 4, low maintenance means you're disconnected from your own desires. So, after years of saying, I am fine with whatever I'm getting, you may struggle to even know what you exactly want. What is it that you want? You don't even know because you are just fine with whatever you get. So this is emotional depletion in disguise. And how you can rectify this is that you can, start thinking what you really want. You can practice asking yourself, okay, what is it that I truly want? And give yourself the permission to pause and check in. Number 5, you build a life around people pleasing and not receiving. If you are low maintenance, you become the easy one. You become the caretaker, the peacemaker, everything good. But your worth isn't in how little you need. Your worth is in how fully you allow yourself to receive also. Remember this, that receiving is not selfish, receiving is sacred. You deserve support, you deserve love, you deserve joy, and you deserve more and more of it. Okay, more than you're just enough. So, my love, being low maintenance might have protected you once, twice, or a little more than that. It might have helped you feel safe at a particular time. It might have made you feel accepted and loved also. But remember that being low maintenance is not your true identity, and definitely it's not your destiny. Yeah? You're allowed to want more, you're allowed to ask for more, you're allowed to need more, you're allowed to desire more, and you're allowed to receive more without any apology. So, here's a gentle reminder for you today: you don't have to earn your place by being low maintenance or easy to love or by people pleasing. You already are, okay, here, and you deserve the best for yourself. So, if this episode stirred something in your heart, like, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to come out of her low maintenance mode today. I will see you in my next podcast. Till then, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now and asking you to love yourself just a little bit more from today, from now onwards. I'll see you soon the next time. Bye bye.